Welcome to Xtreme Motorsports, the place where power, performance, and pure automotive madness come alive. If you love machines that dominate the road with attitude, you're in the right place. And today, we're diving into one of the most aggressive, most extreme, and most intimidating SUVs ever built, the Brabus G800. If you think you've seen powerful SUVs before, think again. The Brabus G800 isn't just an upgraded G-Class. It's a mechanical beast engineered to make everything else on the road look ordinary. This is the SUV that turns heads before it even enters the street. The one that makes supercars step aside. And the moment you see it, you understand. It wasn't built to compete. It was built to rule. The exterior is pure intimidation. Brabus transforms the G-Wagon with a full carbon widebody kit, aggressive front fascia, massive air intakes, and that iconic Brabus grille that looks like it could inhale the entire highway. LED roof lights blast the road ahead like a spotlight, while the carbon hood scoop and extended fenders give it a stance that screams dominance from every angle. At the rear, quad titanium exhausts deliver a sound so deep and violent, it feels like thunder rolling through the streets. Carbon detailing, a performance diffuser, and huge forged wheels finish the look. Muscle, luxury, and attitude fused into one monster. Step inside, and the brutality fades into ultra-luxury. Brabus redesigns the cabin with handcrafted leather, contrast stitching, carbon fiber trim, and illuminated logos. The seats feel like luxury race buckets, wrapping around you with comfort and precision. Soft-touch surfaces, ambient lighting, and a redesigned Brabus steering wheel make the interior feel like a private high-performance lounge. Every detail reminds you that this isn't a normal G-Class. This is craftsmanship taken to extremes. Under the hood lies pure insanity. A 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 tuned to unleash a staggering 800 horsepower. The acceleration is shocking for something this massive. The moment you tap the throttle, the G800 surges forward like a rocket wearing armor. The sound is addictive, raw, deep, and unmistakably Brabus. Each gear change hits with precision, and the tuning delivers a perfect blend of aggression and control. The suspension setup improves stability, handling, and responsiveness, giving this heavyweight SUV supercar-like presence on the road. Technology inside keeps everything smooth and futuristic. A digital cockpit, high-resolution displays, advanced driving modes, and a premium sound system turn the G800 into a command center. Whether you're cruising through the city or tearing down the highway, you feel like you're piloting something far beyond a normal SUV. The Brabus G800 isn't made for everyone. It's for the ones who love power without limits, luxury without compromise, and presence that can't be ignored. It's for the bold, the fearless, and the ones who want the road to recognize them instantly. Thank you for watching Xtreme Motorsports. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Brabus G800, hit that like button, subscribe for more mind-blowing automotive content, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Until next time, drive safe, stay powerful, and keep your passion in the fast lane.